Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C51 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can or cannot customize because as you can see those are inactive. It is because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, let's turn off all of the switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and from the calendar pick the date we want to use, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just pick it from the clock, tap on OK. It will be of course immediately applied to the status bar. We can also change the time zone, just tap on this option, tap on the region, and here you can either enter the name of the region or scroll to find it, and after finding simply tap on it. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. However, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. Here we've got the options connected with the time format. We can use local default, up to you, or manually decide whether we want to use the 24-hour format, just like now, or 12-hour format. And in order to do that, we have to turn off this option. So simply tap on the switcher and it will be again immediately applied. So this is the manual way of customization the date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.